Here they are, pasture-raised chickens. When we say this is what we do, this is exactly what we do. We raise animals on pasture and rotate them. It's not a joke. It's not just a marketing ploy. It's the real deal. Baba! Baba? That's me. I own and run Root Down Farm. This is my lovely wife, Melissa, and our daughter, Eddy. We're going to take you on a little tour of the farm and answer some questions about what life is like right now. This operation is almost the opposite of industrial farming, especially when it comes to raising animals. The only similarity is that the animals are raised to be eaten, but beyond that, from start to finish, everything we do is about the health of the animal, the health of the land, and the sustainability of the people who are working with those things. We don't have a ton of people working here. It's myself, and I have one full-time employee and part-time employee, and then 2 market employees. I value my employees so much, and I know that I couldn't be doing this without them, and I want to take care of them. When this COVID started, we all got very clear that their health is the most important thing, and if anyone feels sick, just stay home. They will always have a job that will not be at all compromised.
Oh, I feel like I work for family. We're not related, but it does have that kind of atmosphere, you know. She's always encouraging us to get out there in the field, interact with the animals, and I don't know, I feel very supported, I'll put it that way.
We're going to check the chickens.
We're going to check the chickens.
Well, here we are, just checking on the chickens.
On the step.
Making sure they're cool enough in here on our surprise heat wave. Everybody seems to be doing okay. Alright, well, we got 675 chicks. Alright, let's take them home. We have a lot of things that would love to eat the things we raise. Coyotes, bobcats, mountain lions, skunks, raccoons, weasels, and you can tell they're fierce dogs. No, they work really hard at night and keep all these animals safe. They're like employees. I could never be doing this without them. They work incredibly hard. Here we got another one. Who do we have here? This is Ruthie. This is Reba's sister. She's also 9 months old. Hi. They're all my babies. A big piece of what we're trying to do here is, yes, raise animals as best as possible with high standards to their care and giving them the best environment as possible while benefiting the land as best as possible. My philosophy is to hold those things as best as we can together. All that health and nutrition that they're getting right now goes into the bellies of all of our customers. We got the whole family out. We're gonna go pick some beds.